Welcome back. So today we have a special guest with us. Drum roll, please.
Hi, I'm Harper.
And Dylan.
So let's just get on with the video. So right now we're going to do our grandparents, our grandpa and grandma house tour. So let's get started. So the first thing right here is their bedroom. So here's their bed. And then right here they have a secret door and it has a trumpet. And then over here is the bathroom. So we just have a really cute bathroom. And then here's the kitchen where they cook, and then the
Very
sink.
cute. Nothing in the fridge.
And then here's where they dine and eat, and there's cute pickle jars. Oh my gosh, grandma. And then here's the living room. Here's where they live.
Big Cat Chungus.
Yes, his name is Whiskers. And then right here, out here, is where Grandma does her gardening.
Grandma loves gardening.
And this is also where we can make it rain for Grandma. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Bye.